So welcome back to my new video. This video, we are going to create a table environment. The first demo, we created a environment using the in-streaming mode. So there are two modes. We have the streaming mode and then the batch mode. Okay, so I'm just going to create another file here, which I'm going to call create TBL table env. Okay, and this one, I'm just going to copy this and show you the two environments. I'm going to paste this here, and this is the streaming mode, and then the other one, which is the batch mode. This is how it looks like. env settings is equal to environment settings dot in batch mode. Okay, so you can see the two modes, the streaming mode and then the batch mode. Okay, so if we look at we're going to create a table mode, so we can say table env is equal to table dot create and then we pass in the env settings. Okay, so it's very straightforward. Environment settings is equal to that. So in any way, you can use both of them, but you should know the difference. We have the one that is streaming mode, and then the other one is the batch mode. So the difference is that the difference is in the name actually. One is batch, and then one is streaming. Okay, so the batch is to create the environment settings in a batch execution mode for batch scenarios, and you can use it for bounded data, meaning that the data comes in, get processed, and then leaves. But with the streaming, it's used for unbounded, okay, when the data keeps flowing continuously. Okay, so that is the difference. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, leave them in the video section, the comment section, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.